Mr. President, dito naman sa ongoing investigation ng Senado at Kamara tungkol sa mga anomalous flood control projects, tama ba na sila pa ang mag-imbestiga kahit na ilan sa kanila ay sinasabing sangkot?
Alam mo, prerogative ng Kongreso yan eh. Prerogative ng House of Representatives yan na mag-conduct sila ng investigasyon. At prerogative ng Senado na mag-conduct sila ng investigasyon. So patuloy natin. At kahit papano, pagka may masusing investigasyon, kahit papano meron tayong makukuha din dyan. So baka makatulong din. So but allow them. We will do we will have the independent commission. We'll organize it. We will support it fully. And all the other organs of government will I'm sure play their part in finding the truth to all of these anomalies.
Pero sa palagay nyo, dapat bang at least mag-inhibit yung mga may kaugnayan dito sa mga issue nito?
Wala namang amin na may kaugnayan sila, hindi ba? Kahit sino. So, hindi sila mag-inhibit. So, kahit sabihin mo, at saka wala namang power ang executive sa legislature. Gagawin nila yung gagawin nila. But that's their prerogative.
So far, Mr. President, pinangalanan na yung mga contractor, pati mga anak nila na babash sa social media.
Yeah.
No, may mga tinanggal na taga DPWH and some cases are being filed against them. Paano naman po kung sangkot si Kong, si Gov, si Mayor? How far are we gonna take this?
Until we solve the problem. Yung dapat natin pipilahan ng kaso, may ebidensya tayo na matibay. Unang-una. Pangalawa, na kapag sila na out of action na, ay talagang magbabago. Dahil sila talaga nagpapatakbo. So, I suppose the description that sometimes we use, yung big fish talaga, yung talagang nagpapatakbo nitong sistema na ito. Yun. Kasi pag hindi mo mabubuwag yung sistema yan, hanggat tinanggal mo yung mga player na yan eh. So tatanggalin natin yung mga player na yon at kahit sino man sila para maging maayos ang patakbo ng sistema.
Kahit naman sinuportahan kayo or something, talagang wala silang kawala dito sa campaign na ito.
Wala talaga tayong magagawa eh. We have the truth has to come out. Kaya nagkaganto dahil pinabayaan eh. We look the other way, nagbulag-bulagan tayo, diba? Nagbibingi-bingihan tayo, wala tayong naririnig. Kaya tayo nang gaganto. Ba't natin babalik yun? Ay, hindi, wala kaming alam dyan. Wala naman kami naririnig.
Yun ang nakapagtataka. Why were the people in the past looking the other way? Why?
Because that's the system already eh. Kahit ayaw mo, pagka sasabihin na hindi ako interesado sa mga ganyan, di ba? Masasagasaan ka ng sistema. Sasagasaan ka ng sistema.
Okay.
Yung mga nandyan na aktibo dyan sa mga kalokohan na yan, aanhin ka, atakihin ka para to get you out of the way kasi baka magsumbong ka pa.
Mr. President, nag-resign kamakailan si DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Can you tell us how that conversation went?
He decided, he said, I'm nakakaabala na ako sa'yo in terms of command responsibility. He said, I take responsibility for that. Dapat hindi nangyari sa ilalim ko, nung sekretarya ko na ito. So, bibitawan ko na lang, sabi ko.
Okay, and you chose Vince Dizon as your new DPWH Secretary. Why do you think is he the right person to clean up the department?
He did a very good job in DOTR, and I think he understands very well what needs to be done. And I think he's committed enough to this, what we are doing, that he will do whatever is necessary, even if it's a little difficult, kahit na medyo may magagalit sa kanya. You know, he's very professional. Basta trabaho. Hindi naman walang personalan.
Binigyan nyo yung Public Works Department at Budget Department ng 2 weeks para busisiin yung lahat ng kailangan busisiin, himayin yung kailangan himayin dyan sa 2026 budget ng DPWH. 2 weeks. Confident ba kayo na magagawa nila yon in 2 weeks?
Marami na tayong nagawa as of now pa lang. Number one, we already are seeing na lahat ng flood control project na dapat nilalagay sa 2026 na budget, hindi na siguro kailangan. So there will be no budget for 2026 for flood control. Dahil meron naman 350 billion for 2025 na hindi pa nauubos talaga. So, tuloy-tuloy pa yung trabaho. Hindi naman ibig sabihin titigil natin yung flood control project, mga flood control project. Ibig sabihin titiyakin na ngayon natin na ang paggastos tama, ang pag-implement tama, maayos ang design, etc., etc. And then how do we do this? Sinasabi ko nga, interesado ko na makipag-usap tayo sa mga contractor na tapusin nila. Ayusin nila. O di mag-usap kami after that. Pero before that, ayusin nila, buuhin nila. Up to specification. At their cost, wag naman sila don't expect the government to pay for it. Ayusin nila yung project nila.
Oo nga.
O di sige, mag-usap tayo after that.
Inisa-isa nyo na nga, binibisita nyo, nakikita natin po yon. But ang mga kongresista gusto nilang i-return to sender yung NEP. Is
Oo.
that still a possibility?
No.
Baka hindi umabot no?
No, it's not a possibility. Ang titignan na lang is the DPWH budget. Unilaterally, from our end in the executive, I already instructed the DPWH to review and to rewrite the DPWH budget. So we have a commitment to Congress that the rewritten DPWH budget will be submitted to them.